Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on my computer. Tutorial 8, switch to the latest version. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or business. So we're gonna start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu. You can click on all applications and then navigate to bookings. Once we have clicked on this, we can go to calendar. And now to try the new bookings, let's go to the right top corner of the screen. And we all know, as when I started the videos for this category, in bookings, we were using the latest version. Now we will revert back to the new bookings. Click on try the new bookings on the right top corner. This will refresh itself and it takes us to the latest version, the new layout of Microsoft bookings for Office 365. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.